In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys what I am bringing to college. Okay, so I did separate my stuff into categories. I'll just put all those categories on the screen. The first category I have is specifically stuff that I'm going to be putting on my bed. So starting off, okay, so this is a mattress topper, which I've heard is very important for your dorm. The beds aren't very comfortable, so having one of these will definitely help you out. I would prefer my bed to be comfortable, so I did get one of these. This is what it looks like. So that's what I have first to put on my bed. I also have a sheet, obviously, to put on my bed. Okay, maybe I have two sheets. It's a twin extra large, or extra long. I also have this blanket that my mom got for me. It's just a normal blanket. And then this blanket that is on my bed, the striped one and the white one, I'm also bringing those. These are bed risers. These are like the small ones, and then there's bigger ones in here. Basically, you just put them under your bed so that it makes the bed higher so that you can store more stuff under the bed. So I'm going to be using those to put underneath the bed to give me more space for storage. And then I have a pillow, which I need to get a pillowcase for, but also bring a pillow. So this is a little thing that you put like underneath the bed. I'm not exactly sure where it goes actually, but basically you put it somehow in the bed, and then it's like a little thing that sticks out like with pockets in it so that you can put like your phone, headphones, anything you like that you want by your bed that you don't want on your desk, so that you'll be able to reach it, especially since I'm lofting my bed. This is going to be really helpful to just be able to have a little spot right by my bed instead of having to get on and off just to get something. So also definitely recommend getting one of these. They are called the Bedside Caddy. That's what it's called. I also have a light that I think I'm going to attach to my bed, maybe. I'm not 100% sure yet, but the lights in the dorm are not the best, so if I ever want to like read or something in my bed and maybe my roommate's sleeping or something like that, then I can just have this little light that's not going to be super annoying, and you can just point it wherever. So this should be nice. I also am going to be bringing this pillow and probably some of those pillows over there. But for now, that's just like the basic things that I'm bringing. And now, moving on to our next category, storage. I'm going to do storage next. For storage, there isn't like a lot of space in the dorm, so it is really good to kind of do what you can to give yourself space to put things. So this is like just a little box to put pretty much anything. I'll probably end up putting like pencils or stuff like that in here, and I'm not exactly sure where I'm going to put it because obviously I haven't moved in yet, but it's just a little thing to keep stuff in. So maybe I'll use this, maybe not, I'm not 100% sure. And this is something that you can just put under the bed as an extra place to put like clothes, shoes, I guess, really anything. It's just a little bag that is super small that you can just put under the bed. And then this is a shoe rack that I'm probably going to end up putting in my closet, and you can put, again, pretty much anything you want. Like you can put shoes, towels, stuff for school, really anything, but it just gives you another space where you can hang stuff up or put stuff in here, which is super helpful. Oh wait, I have a couple other things for storage that I have not set up yet. So I do have a 3-tiered cart with wheels on it. So it is one of those carts that you've probably seen before if you watch some of these videos. It basically just has 3 drawers like this, and you can roll it around anywhere you want, and that's another good thing to put stuff in. And then I have this cart over here that I'll show you guys on the screen. It basically has like 10 shelves in it, and again rolls around. Super easy to hang stuff in, and it does not to put stuff in, and it doesn't take up that much space. So that is what I am bringing for storage. Since my dorm does not have AC, I am definitely bringing a lot of fans. So I will show you what fans I'm bringing. So I have this small fan that I'm probably going to end up hooking like on my bed somewhere, because when you're sleeping, you don't want it to be super hot. So if you have a fan at least blowing somewhere near you, it should be helpful. And then I also have this small circle fan that, again, I'm not really sure where I'm going to put it, but will also be super useful. And then one of my friends that I'm working with right now actually has a bigger fan that she used last year for her dorm. I don't know what it looks like because I don't have it yet, but she's going to be dropping that off at my dorm. So I have 3 fans, and I'm going to guess that my roommate's bringing some too, so hopefully the no AC isn't as horrible with all these fans, but we'll have to see. So that is what I'm bringing for fans. Okay, another thing for storage that I forgot to talk about was that I am bringing these IKEA bags, the big blue ones that unfold. But I am bringing a lot of them, so they're good because you can keep them in your dorm if you want, and they're super small like this. They fold really small, but at the same time they also can unfold really big, so you can put a lot of stuff in them. And they take up pretty much no space. They take up some space, but not very much. So this is a really good way for you to put stuff in, especially when you're moving in. So if you need storage for when you're moving in, I definitely recommend getting IKEA bags because they will be a lot of help, and you can always leave them in your dorm without worrying about them taking up way too much space. Okay, the next thing I'm going to talk about is stuff that I'm going to be bringing to hang on my wall. So right now I'm kind of slacking. I don't have that much stuff yet. For what I'm going to put on my wall, I think I'm going to make maybe like a picture wall. I'm not 100% sure yet, but for now I have this whiteboard right here that I might put like outside of my door, like in the front, so that people can write on it if they want or stuff like that. I'm not 100% sure yet, but I do have a whiteboard. And then I also have this, what's it called? Okay, this thing where you can switch the letters on it, a vision board. I forgot what this thing's called, but basically you can like take the letters on and off and spell different stuff and put quotes or whatever you want on it. So I am probably going to bring this to hang on my wall. And then I also think I'm going to end up bringing photos or paintings that I've already done or something like that to hang on the wall. I'm just not 100% sure yet, so for now that's what I have. And then also to hang stuff on the wall, command hooks to put hang towels on or something, and then also these ones where you just stick on the wall. That's what I have right now to put on the wall. It needs to be worked on a little bit, but I need to figure that out later this week. Okay, now I'm gonna get into bathroom and laundry stuff. I think a lot of it is pretty self-explanatory, like shampoo, conditioner, body wash, towels, stuff like that. But I'll still show you what I'm bringing. Some of what I'm bringing, I still haven't gotten every single thing, but for the most part, this is what I have. So I have contact solution because I have contacts. And then I have this laundry basket. So this is like the photo right there. Basically, it's one that can fold and unfold. Oh, it's a backpack. Okay, so I'm on the 4th floor, so I'm pretty sure the laundry's on the basement. So it's kind of a long way to bring all your laundry, so this should be really helpful to put it all in the backpack. You just bring it up and bring it down. I also have this collapsible, okay, so it's a collapsible laundry basket. Okay, I don't even know how to use it, so I think I already broke it. Well, I have this. I don't even know how to use it, but maybe it'll be helpful. You never know. And then I also have these towels, like washcloths, stuff like that, for the dorm showers, communal bathrooms, which is going to be really fun. And oh, I also need to get a robe. That's another thing I have not gotten yet that I really need to get. If you are in communal bathrooms, I definitely recommend getting a robe so that you don't have to hold a towel when you're walking around the dorm, because, I mean, you can if you want, but I personally am probably going to end up getting a robe. I also am bringing laundry detergent to go with my laundry stuff, because I've heard that Tide Pods aren't always the best, so I'm just going with this. We'll have to see. I think it'll work just fine. And then I also have this box of bathroom stuff, like toothbrushes, bug spray, deodorant, toothpaste, shaving cream, just stuff you need for the bathroom, you know. Oh, and this also is probably going to be my trash can, because if I don't end up using it for a trash can, I can just use it for storage. So for now, this is my trash can. We'll have to see if it lasts or not. I'm not really sure. Okay, somehow I totally forgot to talk about this. For the bathroom stuff, I also have a shower caddy to put all my stuff in, because you need something to carry to the bathroom. So I also am bringing a shower caddy. My roommate is bringing a fridge, and then I am probably going to end up getting a rug, and I also am bringing this isn't a Brita, but it basically is a Brita. It basically filters your water so that you can drink it. I've heard mixed things about this. Some people are like, yeah, I use it all the time, and some people are like, oh, I never used it. So I got one anyway, so I'll have to see if I use it or not. I think I probably will, because I drink a lot of water throughout the day, so especially at night, this probably will be really helpful. I'm thinking we'll just have to see. And now we're kind of in the miscellaneous category of random stuff that I'm bringing. So I do, for my desk, have a thing that goes on top of my desk. I forgot what it's called, but basically it like stands up on the desk and has different shelves in it. If you know what I'm talking about, hopefully you do. It just goes on top of the desk and it's like a shelf. So I have this clock for my desk to just have another way to tell what time it is, even though I do have a watch and a phone. I think it'll also be helpful to have a clock, especially in my desk, if I don't want to be looking at my phone, if I'm doing homework or anything like that. I also have a desk lamp. It looks like this, but I think that, again, the dorm lighting isn't always the best, so it's good to have like a bedside lamp and a desk lamp, maybe another lamp. I only have two, so we'll have to. Okay, this one is important. I also have a USB charging thing, because it's just hard sometimes to get to the USB. So if you have one like this, you are able to charge a lot of stuff at the same time. So the one I have has 4 of the normal plugs and then 2 of the other USB ones. So I definitely recommend getting one of these to charge stuff. And then I also have a computer case. Oh yeah, I am bringing my MacBook Air. I definitely recommend bringing a computer, because I think a lot of the time you do a lot of stuff on the computer in college, so I also got a case for it. And then with computers, I also got a portable backup. This is what you can put stuff on. It's like for storage, for photos, videos, anything like that. I'm probably going to be using it for school stuff, so this will most likely be helpful. I already have 2 of them and they're almost full, so I definitely needed another one. Okay, now we're just getting into like really just random stuff. So I also have a USB plug, because obviously you need to bring plugs to charge phone, computer, watch, whatever it is you're bringing. I also have vitamins to stay healthy. Tape. Don't even ask me why I'm bringing tape, I have no idea. A calculator, very sadly. Even though I'm not taking a math class this year, I also recommend bringing noise canceling headphones. And if you're looking for ones that aren't super expensive, I definitely recommend getting these. They are the Soundcore. They're the Soundcore headphones. They look like this. They're the Soundcore headphones. They are really good at noise canceling, and they're only like $80 maybe, which for noise canceling headphones I feel like is really good. So if you are looking for some noise canceling headphones that aren't that expensive, I definitely recommend getting these ones. Okay, so for school stuff, I'm bringing this backpack that I've been using for high school. And then I'm not exactly sure what you're supposed to use in college, so I kind of got a lot of stuff. I got binders, which I'm not sure if I'm even going to use. I think I got 2 binders, binder, separators, folders, post-it notes, pens, red pens. I got a lot of these three-hole notebooks. These notebooks, spiral notebooks. I also got a lot of folders, another binder, a ruler, stapler, tape dispenser, and a bike lock. So that is what I have right now for school stuff. Okay, so this is the last thing that I have for right now. Again, as I said before, this isn't like everything I bring, but it is what I have right now, and obviously I probably will add more stuff, but we'll just have to see. So this is all stuff that I have for right now. This is a box that my grandma made for me as like an emergency kit, so it pretty much has anything that I'm gonna need. So let me just show you guys. Okay, so I kind of messed it up a little bit, but it has so many things. It's kind of crazy. It has scissors, antibiotic, stapler, okay, let me just show you guys. That'll just be easier. So it has this thing right here with all of this stuff in it. And then it also has this with even more stuff in it. It has hammer, duct tape, can opener, first aid kit with band-aids and other stuff like that you might need, postcards, sewing kit, thermometer, and some medicine. So pretty much anything that I'm gonna need is probably gonna be in this box. So I definitely recommend getting one of these because then everything you need is kind of gonna be just in one area, so that is really helpful. And I think that's about everything I'm bringing for college for right now. Hopefully I'll get more stuff to hang on my wall. Oh, there is one thing I'm thinking about bringing. Okay, I might bring like this thing to hang photos on the wall, but I'm not 100% sure yet. Okay, so for the most part I have pretty much everything that I'm bringing for college except clothes. I did not go through clothes in this video because I have absolutely no clue what clothes I'm bringing. So for now, this is what I'm bringing. So if you are getting ready to pack for college and needed to know what to bring, hopefully this video helped you out. Again, you obviously don't really need anything specifically that I showed you, and you can always get more stuff, but for me personally, this is what I think is going to work best for me. So hopefully this video was helpful or informative or anything like that. If you did enjoy this video, feel free to like and subscribe. If you do like college related videos, I do have 2 college decision reaction videos. I definitely recommend watching both because one of them is like the expectation and then the other one's like the reality of college decision reactions. So feel free to go watch those videos. I also did make a stats video, however I definitely don't recommend that you go compare your stats to mine because every school is different, every person is different, so it doesn't matter. And hopefully a dorm haul coming soon. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.